Page 24, I saw 3 ships. This is in 6/8 time. Oh, so that means that an 8th note gets a beat. So a quarter note gets 2 beats. And there's the same as 6 eighth notes in a measure. Too many numbers. They got 1 sharp, so it's either in G major or E minor. Well, let's look. The last measure down there, the last chord is here. It's a G chord. I'm guessing this is in G major. Let's talk about one hand at a time here. The right hand, you have a pickup beat. You're coming in on beat 6. 6, 1, 2. It's third finger and then thumb. So bring the thumb under and have it ready to go. This isn't a time where you're moving the hand like that. This is a time where you're scrunching up, and then once you get the thumb in place, then you move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up between the phrases. 2. Now, little finger, lift up and move. Thumb down. Lift up. Same thing. Lift up. It's not too bad. Pretty straightforward, actually. Once you get past the rhythm of counting 8th notes. The left hand has the chords. Keep the left hand soft. You have the G chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, rest. You're down for 3 beats, you rest for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're doing that, and then second line, second measure, you come down to the D chord. 3, 4, and then back up. Last line, last 2 measures, you're here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So you only get 1 beat rest, because there's an 8th rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now is a C natural here. It'd be a C natural anyway. They're being nice to you to put in the natural sign. That's a natural. Then try putting the hands together. Now here again they messed up on the arrangement. We're in a situation where both hands need this D at the same time, and you can't have it. Because I want to connect this, that's melody, but I need the D for the chord. Well, I can't connect it if I'm going to use it for the chord. So when you're first learning it, just make this silence as short as possible. The right hand comes in up when you're playing these A's here. Again, we have the same problem at the beginning. We need the D in both hands. Now here the rest is an 8th rest. And here. So bring out the right hand. That's the melody. Keep the left hand soft. Now once you learn it the way it's written, and you can, this is a lively piece. So once you get it learned and you can pick it up and you're comfortable with it, you can rearrange it if you want. And what I typically do in a piece where the same note is needed, in this case for both hands, is I will tie it to the next one. In other words, I'll play the D in the left hand, not the right, and I'll just add the G and B to it. That way I can connect it. That's how I resolve it. You can do it however you think is right, but that's just one way of doing it. Otherwise, we got to use pedal for that connect. You have just that one little spot. You connect those 2 notes with pedal, and then that's it. Let's play it together slowly to make sure we got the right rhythm and all that stuff going. So we come in on beat 6, so I'm going to give us 5 counts. So go ahead and put your hands where they go to start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, this.